Yes, ready. Please take this dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. Yes, start. Sir, we have had the most stimulating and forthright debate in this House after I presented the finance bill. The honorable members have not only commented on the provisions of the bill, including the amendments that I have proposed and which have been accepted by the Lok Sabha, but they have also taken the opportunity of expressing their views on a wide ranging spectrum of matters concerning the national economy. I heartily welcome a discussion of this sort as it helps us to understand the mood and the feelings of the House and also gives me an opportunity to respond and to react to those views wherever it is necessary. Sir, I must first of all deal with one point of criticism which was made by my honorable friends. They say that I have been pressurized and influenced by all sorts of lobbies outside the house, and I have adjusted and modified the finance bill as a result of that. Sir, I have great respect for this house and for Parliament, and indeed it is my duty to take into consideration whatever is said here. However, I do not think that it needs a very deep knowledge of democratic practice to understand that we are not the only persons who can give expression to the views of the people, the citizens, and the taxpayers. This might have been the philosophy of the previous government, which without hesitation suppressed popular expression and became a law unto itself. The present government's approach is different. It is here that the people have expressed their confidence in the present government, and we therefore consider it to be our first duty to listen to their grievances and their points of view, to try to understand their representations and give due attention to the problems which are brought to our notice by them. It was against this background that I had listened with great care and attention not only to the suggestions made in both the houses but also to the representations made by a very large number of citizens and responsible individuals, and I am not apologetic about what I have done. As stated by me in the Lok Sabha, I would like to say that it is the intention of this government to be fully responsive to the public feelings. My friend has launched an emotional attitude against the actions of the present government. Stop and over.